Okay, welcome to my channel. This video we're going to do some comparison of two different brand of pliers. Juan Pratt's the other day in my live stream commented and said it would be nice if I did one, and another person in the comments or in the chats agreed, so here we go. All right, we're going to be comparing the two different size Vampliers from Vampire Tools. You see right there it says Vampliers, and right there it says Vampire Tools. Two different sizes. You see right there, made in Japan. We're going to compare those two to the Knipex, made in Germany. These are the TwinGrips. So let's check this out and see what the differences are. All right, first up we have, let me see if I can do it like everybody else, put my hand in front of it, which I already showed you anyway. So, but you see right there, let me get my face out of it because it's trying to focus on my face. All right, first up, let me see if I can do this one-handed. I don't know. Let me slide these out of the way. Can you see in there? Now these grip better, like if you was going down on a screw like that. Not necessarily like that on a screw. They'll grip that way, but they really grip good that way. If you got a stripped out screw, I wish I had a way to demonstrate, but I mean, you know, my grip strength in my hand is going to be different from yours anyway, so you could have different results. But you see right there, they're good for gripping screws and bolts, small bolts that's rounded off, or you know, the Phillips part in there, or whatever it is, Phillips flat, whatever is stripped out, or hex or Torx. You can grip the screw with these and take it right out. And believe me, they do work, because I've used them plenty of times. Let's get into the smaller ones. Let me move them out of the way. Okay, here's the smaller ones. Now these are called the Brute. I don't know why that thing ain't focusing. There it goes. These are smaller, as you can see. Yes, I've already used the crap out of these too. I actually use these more than the bigger ones. These are nice, but just like the bigger ones, they have a cutter. I guess for cutting wire or cutting bolts, whatever, cutting nails, whatever you need to cut. But there's the money end of it right there. They also work the same way. These actually work better than them on smaller stuff. These are great. Both of them are great. Now these here, as you can see, these will grip on the sides and the end. They're made very similar to the Vampliers. Okay, these are, as you can see, these are similar to, well, they probably ain't gonna focus because it's trying to focus on my face, to the Vampliers. But what I like about these is these open up where you can get bigger bolts or screws, whatever. Now that is what's awesome about these. As you can see, the slots in there. You can open it all the way up or in different sizes, however you want them. Now Juan was wanting to know which ones to get. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe you can. I can't tell if the thing's focusing on it or not. But anyway, if all you're going to do is use it for small stuff, the Brute. Excellent tool. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with any of these tools. But in my opinion, you need all three. That's why I've got all three. Let me turn this camera back this way a little bit. Sorry about the weird angle and shining that light shining in your eye. But anyway, in my opinion, yes, you need all three. You can't go wrong with all three of them. Now, this is not a sponsored video, even though Vampliers or Vampire Tools did send me these two to review. I mean, I've already did a review video on them. This is not a review of these. This is just comparing them with the Knipex TwinGrips. Now, I've used these two, and like I said, I think you need all three. They're all three excellent tools. You can't go wrong. I wish I had some kind of way to demonstrate, but I mean, everybody, you should be able to know what I'm talking about. Hold on just a second. I'm not going to be able to get anything loose or anything. I'm just going to show you. Okay, you see how that is? If that bolt right there was stripped and you couldn't get a wrench on it or a socket on it, man, these things right here, with them being able to open up to grab bigger bolts, these things right here grip good. I mean, obviously I can't turn it because I'm only using one hand and trying to hold this camera and all. And I'm not trying to turn it anyway, but yeah. These things are excellent. That's what I was just trying to demonstrate, how they grip. Like I said, everybody knows Knipex tools. They're great tools. Not many people know about the Vampire tools though, especially your DIYers. But there they are. I would say get all three. But like I said, if you're going to use them on small stuff, small screws or whatnot, get the Brute. You don't have to have all three. But if you have a chance that you might need to go on bigger bolts or screws or whatever, then you're going to need these. So you might as well go ahead and get them. I'm not going to quote any prices because the prices could change between the time I bought them and the time you buy them. Or what area you're in, they could be higher or lower. So just do your research and grab you a pair of them. But anyway, that's all I got for this video. Juan, thank you for recommending me doing this. I appreciate it. And like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.